In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a wall in Revit using split element. If you've ever needed separate control over portions of a wall for different materials, phasing, heights, or scheduling, this is the quick, reliable way to do it. Start by heading to the Modify tab. There, click Split Element. The tool activates instantly and your cursor changes to indicate you're in split mode. This tool can split many kinds of elements, but we'll focus on walls. Make sure the wall you want is visible in your current view so you can click precisely where you need the break. With the tool active, move your cursor over the wall and click exactly at the point where you want the division. For accuracy, zoom in and watch Revit's snap cues so you can land on a midpoint, an intersection, or any clearly defined point in your model. Avoid clicking through hosted items like doors or windows. Instead, place the split in clear wall space so the result is clean. As soon as you click, Revit creates two separate wall segments at that location. You'll notice each new segment can now be selected independently. They initially share the same wall type and properties, but because they're separate elements, you can modify their lengths, constraints, and type assignments one at a time. This is great for applying a different finish to one portion, adjusting a top or base constraint, or isolating segments for demolition or phasing. Revit typically cleans up joins automatically, so corners and connections should look correct without extra work. If you clicked in the wrong place, simply undo and try again. The original wall is preserved until you make that precise click, and splitting doesn't alter other elements in your model. After the split, hosted elements stay with the segment they belong to, and room boundaries continue to read the wall as expected. If you're working in a busy area, take a moment to zoom and pan so your click lands exactly where you intend. Precision here saves time later. That's all there is to it. Open the split tool from Modify, then click the wall at your chosen location, and Revit instantly turns one wall into two manageable pieces. Use this simple move whenever you need fine-grained control over a wall without redrawing it. Thanks for watching.